Hey everyone, my name's Sarah and I'm one of the staff writers here at ebike-depo. Thanks for tuning into our channel. Here, we're all about reviewing premium built e-bikes, and after riding them for a while, we bring you the real world scoop. So after spending the last 2 weeks riding the Rattan LF 750 Ultra, let me just say, this thing is a powerhouse. And honestly, I love it. It's a game changer. Whether I'm weaving through city streets or cruising along the beach, this folding e-bike handles it all with ease and agility. This isn't your average folding bike. It's built for performance and built to go the distance. The foldable frame and pedals make it super easy to toss in your trunk or store at home. And the motor? You're looking at a 1,000-watt brushless rear hub with a peak of 1,800 watts. Top speed, 32 miles per hour. So yeah, it moves when you want it to. You've got 5 levels of pedal assist, plus a half-twist throttle when you just want to cruise without pedaling. Rattan didn't cut corners on safety either. You get dual hydraulic disc brakes, puncture-resistant fat tires, and integrated front and rear lighting with a built-in brake light indicator. And check this out. With a 300-pound payload capacity, you can carry a second rider or pack all your weekend gear with no problem. If you're looking for the best long-range folding e-bike, this is it. The LF Ultra is perfect for daily commutes, weekend escapes, or just riding like never before. It's built for the journey. Rattan LF Ultra Ride Far. Ride smart.